Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage your privacy and safety on X or Twitter. You can tap on setting and privacy, and here you can tap on privacy and safety, manage what information you see and share on X. Here there are a lot of options. So for example, your X activity, you can manage what information you allow other people on X to see. Here you can protect your posts, you can turn this on, protect your video, you can turn this on, and also your posts, you can manage the information associated with your posts. You can mark media you post as containing material that may be sensitive. Content you see, decide what you see on X based on your preference. Here for example, the sensitive media, here you can warn it, or even you can show all or never show this. And you can mute and block. Here you can block an account, mute words, mute notifications. You can manage who can message you directly. Here verified users, everyone, so you can learn about this. Space, you can manage your space activity and control your discoverability settings and manage context you have imported. And here data sharing and personalization, you can control or set your ads preferences. Inferred identity, allow X to personalize your experience. Data sharing with business partners, location information, you can manage it. And Grok, allow your posts as well as your interactions, input and results with Grok to be used for training and fine-tuning. You can learn about Grok later. So please set your privacy and safety before you explore the Twitter or X. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.